For years, we've been told that 8 hours is the magic number, the golden rule for everyone, everywhere. But humans are not machines. We don't all run on the same battery. Some need more, some need less. And what really matters is what happens during those hours. Sleep isn't a simple countdown. It's a journey your body takes through deep rest, dreams, and repair. Each stage builds the next version of you. New research shows that while sleep duration has some impact, the real magic lies in the quality of your sleep cycles. When you enter deep sleep, your body repairs muscles, restores energy, and strengthens your immune system. When you dream, your mind organizes memories, solves problems you didn't even know you had, and clears out stress like a mental detox. But if your sleep is shallow, broken by screens, noise, or stress, your body never truly resets. You wake up tired, no matter how long you were in bed. We live in a world that celebrates doing more, work more, scroll more, hustle harder. Sleep? That's for the weak, they say. But here's the irony. The most successful people, the most focused minds, are not the ones who never rest. They're the ones who understand how to rest. Because when your body is sleep-deprived, your mind slows down. You forget things. You make poor decisions. You lose the fire that makes you, you. So what if, instead of asking, how many hours did I sleep, you asked, did I truly rest? What if you treated sleep like an investment, not wasted time, but your most powerful tool for growth? When you sleep deeply, your brain becomes sharper, your mood lighter, your focus unbreakable. You stop surviving the day and start mastering it. Start simple. Turn off the screens an hour before bed. Let your mind disconnect from the noise. Keep your room dark, cool, and calm. Your body needs a cue that it's safe to rest. And before you close your eyes, take a breath. Let go of everything that went wrong today. Tomorrow deserves a better version of you. And that begins tonight. Sleep isn't about escaping the day. It's about preparing for the next one. Every night, your body asks for one thing: peace. And when you give it that, it rewards you with strength, focus, and clarity beyond measure. So don't just sleep longer. Sleep better. Because your dreams, they start the moment you close your eyes.